Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to see blocked accounts on TikTok. First, open your TikTok application on your mobile device. If you want to block someone on TikTok, simply open their profile. Then tap on the arrow icon at the top right corner. Here, tap on the block option. Tap on block again to confirm. Now the user has been blocked and you cannot see their content. If you want to see blocked accounts on TikTok, simply go to your profile by tapping on the bottom right corner. Here, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Privacy. Scroll down to the end and tap on Blocked Accounts. From here, you can see all the accounts you have blocked. If you want to unblock them, simply tap on the Unblock option next to their username. Now as you can see, the user has been unblocked. Now the user will be able to see your content, and you can also see their content as well. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.